All right, so today is day 26 of coding every day until I get employed. So today I was able to finish working on the actual timer feature and getting it to cap. So I guess I'll just show that now. So right now I can reset the timer. I can also start it and get it to run in seconds. I also had it formatted in the way I wanted. And then as you can see, it's going to cap at 6 seconds. So this ideally would be, of course, 25 minutes, but I'm not going to show that. But I also want it to be in a way where you can edit it. And so I just put 0.1 just so I can just get it at a short number that I can just show. And so that's basically what I worked on today. I think moving forward, I need to make sure that I add I need to add the actual time limit cap. I'm on one side. I need to make sure I have this running number on the other side, and then a bar that kind of mimics like how a music player does. And then I need to make sure that this number is actually edible because I can't add anything. Oh, I can add zeros to it, but I can't add anything else. And then I guess I'll just get into the code for that. So the main thing is this use effect because last time I already set up all the buttons, and I don't remember if I added any of the where is it with my buttons? Here's my buttons. If I added any of the set running to false or true, but let's just assume I did that last time because this is the main brunt of the code that did all this. So also this too, where I set up a time, running, and limit, each of which can be changed by set time, set running, and set limits. And then as you can see, I set the limit to 0.1 to get me 6 seconds. All right, so then I have this use effect which ends up running when I edit running and limit minutes. So running would end up getting changed when I click start, when I click start or stop, and then limit minutes would end up changing. Limit minutes will end up changing if I were to edit the limit minutes here. So basically, I go into the code and then I create my interval and I say, okay, if I'm running, meaning that if I click the start button, then I have my interval, which runs for every 10 milliseconds. And then I create my next time, which is the previous time plus 10 milliseconds. And then I say, if the next time is greater or equal to limit minutes, so if I reach my minute, then I set running to false and I return the limit of minutes, and then also return and then if that were not, and if that wasn't to happen, then I would return next time. So if I hit the limit, I'm just gonna show that limit value, and if not, it's gonna keep just showing the values as they increase. And then this 10 is just making sure that we have 10 milliseconds, and this is saying, okay, if we're not running, then we just clear the interval, so we just stop it at where it was, and then after that, we just return clear interval again one more time, just to ensure that we don't leave any extra intervals. And then this is our dependency array, showing that it's dependent on running and limit minutes. So that's basically what I did today.